This video is about how to add classes in WeVideo. Go to Classes on the left, click Add New Class, and create a class. Name this class. You have the option to put in the period of this class and then also the grade level. Make sure that you not label them with the school year, just so that way you can differentiate in future years. Then press Create. Now the class is there. If you click on it, you can toggle to the people, and you can import from Google Classroom. This is very important to import from Google Classroom because it automatically is done for you, quick and easy. I am importing one student from my test class. And there you go. She is in there. Now, if you want to go to assignments, we are going to go to assignment ideas, and we're going to choose the design your name assignment for this video. You can preview it. You can decide if you want to use the media that's on there, look it over. You can save it as a draft, so then you can edit it later for your specific class. Go back into the classes. You'll see it there. It is a draft. You edit the assignment. You can change anything on here. You can change the name of the assignment. You can look at what the instructions are and customize it for your class. You can even select what the product type is, and then due date. Now this is all going to be housed in WeVideo. This is not in Google Classroom, even though you connected your rosters. So this is assigning assignments in your class in WeVideo. Now you can update. Here is where you can click on the different elements that are already embedded into this assignment. You can delete some if you choose, or you can utilize the ones that are there. Make sure everything's the way you want it, and then you can update. And now it is ready to go. You will need to go to the three dots and publish. You can also preview as a student if you want, but publish will get it sent to the students so they know they have an assignment in WeVideo.